Hello children, Sai Ram. Welcome to online computer class. Today we are going to start with the 8th chapter of computer, that is browsing internet. Okay. Children, in this chapter we are going to learn about what is internet, then uses of internet and basic requirement for internet connection. Okay, children, it is very interesting chapter. Today, in general life, we are going to using internet very much. Because of internet, life has become so easy. Yes, so let's start. Okay, children, what is internet? Internet is today's most effective communication tool. Communications means to transfer information become to person or places. Children, you know, today you all are learn from home just because of internet. Internet enables us to exchange idea and share information with a large number of people in real time. Today, communication is become easier and faster with the help of internet. In couple of seconds, we can easily communicate with our relative and friends just because of internet. The simplest meaning of internet is networks of computer. What? Networks of computer. The term network means two or more computers are connected together with special cable or device to share information. Okay. Let's understand what is the actual meaning of internet. Okay. As you see on the screen, the full form of internet is international network. That is given in the bold letter. Internet means international and net means network. Okay. Students, millions of computers are connected with each other to share information through internet. Internet is generally used as a means of communications and search huge amount of information about any topic, right? We have unlimited sources on the internet to search information about any topic. Internet is like a huge library that provide various type of information. Okay, so you understand, students, what is the meaning of internet? Okay. Okay, children, let's discuss uses of internet. How internet is used in different areas for different work. Nowadays, internet can be used for almost all type of work because most of our work to be done on internet only. Okay, so the first use of internet is provide informations and news. It provide information of any topic. We can search information anytime and anywhere on the internet using different search engine. We can search information about any topic anywhere and we can also see news of whole world on the internet with the help of internet. Okay. Okay children, our next use of internet is send and receive messages. Okay. Using internet, we can send and receive messages, text, image, sound, videos, etc. at any time and anywhere. You are very familiar with this chatting software like WhatsApp, etc. and etc. These all are used for sending and receiving messages on mobile specially. Okay, so this is the second use of internet. Okay, our third use of internet is video chat. Through internet, we can chat with our friends and relative, and also make video calls using computer, internet and web camera. You can see on the screen, we can make video call with our friend and relative on mobile, on computer also with the help of internet. Okay, this is the third use of internet. Okay, so understand children? Now the fourth use of internet is buying or buy or sell goods online. Nowadays we can buy or sell new or old goods means anything or object and things using internet. Today online shopping is very popular. So with the help of internet, we can buy anything or sell anything on internet. This is the fourth use of internet. Okay. Fifth use of internet is booking tickets online. We can book tickets online for traveling, for example, airline tickets, railway tickets, and we can also book movie tickets online using Book My Show. So this is the fifth use of internet. We can book our any kind of tickets. Okay. Our sixth use of internet is banking operation. Banking operations means online banking is only possible with the use of internet. We can do any work related to our bank account online at home. For example, online payment, money transfer, etc. Even when we have to do online shopping, in that condition we required net banking account. Through net banking account, we can do any kind of payment for buying or selling goods. So this is our sixth use of internet. Okay. Okay children, our last use of internet, uses of internet is check exam result online. Children, we can check exam result, as we know that nowadays 10th and 12th standard result is declared on internet. With the help of internet, we can check our exam result online. Okay children, this is the uses of internet. You understand? Okay. Okay children, next is basic requirement for internet connection. Children, you know, to use internet, we have to connect our computer with the internet. Okay, so for internet connection you need the 4 hardware and software. Okay, there are given on the screen. The first one is modem, second one is an internet connection, third one is telephone line, and fourth one is web browser. Okay, in this modem and telephone lines are hardware devices, and internet connection and web browser are software application. Okay, so students, let's understand with the help of diagram. Okay, children, see this diagram is given here. Here 3 devices are given. First one is telephone line, then modem and computer, and also given connection between them. Okay, modem is a device. And connect your computer with the telephone line. As you see on the screen in the diagram, modem is connect with the telephone line and also with the CPU, means computer. So modem is a one type of mediator between of computer and telephone line. It changes computer signal so that they can travel through telephone lines and vice versa. So this is called a basic requirement for internet connection. Understand, children? I hope all of you understand this chapter. Okay, so thank you, and once again, Sai Ram. Bye.